Alright, we're in a Volvo EC 460 excavator. I'm not going to really be moving this one too much just because we are in real close to a Hitachi ZX800 and a Deere 450 CLC. So, this is a smooth excavator. And now we're moving some dirt. If the camera even picked up that little speck of dust that fell. There you can see the row of bulldozers. Got about 4 D9s, 3 D9Ts and 1 D9H, I believe. I don't want to get out of this thing. This thing runs just so nice. But the excavator you see in the corner of the shot right there, that's that Deere 450. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.